Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrutha Sankar. If you're new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as the social media links. And I have another channel called as Amrutha Sankar. Please do subscribe to that as well. Before getting to the video, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when I'll be uploading a video. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today's video is a combination of two steps, which is Didithai and back Didithai. Back Didithai step, which we have seen the last week, and Didithai will be sharing the link over here. Go check down. I'll share the link of the back Didithai step as well. So this is just a combination of two steps with a little bit change in the hands. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So for this step, we put our legs into V shape and we go into bending position and put our left leg back onto the toes, tap our right leg, bring back our left leg to the V shape and do Didithai with the same leg. We repeat the same on the left side as well. So 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. For this step, we put our hands first into Katakamukha Hasta, and as the leg goes, we move that as 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. Which means we are twisting it inside, bringing it back to the position and raising the opposite hand, getting back to the position. We do the same on the other side. Twisting it, bringing back to the position, raising the opposite hand to the position. Which our legs goes back side, that hand will be down. Like first we do with the left leg. So left leg and left hand. Right hand will be on the upper side. So 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. Hope you guys understood. So now let's see the whole step. Now for the whole step, we go into bending position, V shape, and we go as 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 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 If you guys are getting confused between how to do this, you can just do 1 means raising the right hand, getting it back to the position, then raising the opposite hand, putting it over there till the Didithai is completed, then twisting the hand back to position and raising the hand, putting it over there only instead of getting it here. I'll show you how as 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. 1, 2, 3, Didithai. Hope you guys understood the both ways. If it's you think it's really confusing, you can follow the second way. If not, you can follow the first way. First way will look more beautiful and graceful. If you guys like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel as well as the another channel, which is Amrutha Sankar. You'll find both the channels in the end screens as well as in the iCards as well as in the description box below. So without forgetting, please click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to get notified when I'll be uploading a video.